That's recording.
What's up, guys? Look it. We just got this wild fish, bros. Look at that big beauty.
Oh shit, the needle is
She's so dang big, guys. My gosh, you wouldn't believe how beautiful she is.
okay. Got it just right here.
After this, I'm gonna edit the video, okay, Dad?
Okay.
So we don't lose this footage.
All right, let's get the release, son. This is a carp right here at Harbor Park. I mean, I don't know how much it weighs, but definitely not the biggest carp I've caught, but still a decent sized one, and I'm super happy. You should see the line we caught it on, like 4-pound test on a tiny pole, tiny reel. Man, you guys, I'm just super happy because the phone was almost going to die. The battery was almost going to die. So let's get the release. Come on. Oh, it's gone.
Oh, she's
Yeah, I got that thing, son.
And look at that pole that he caught it on too. That's a pretty that was a fight, guys.
It ripped the line right at the end, but I don't mind. You were able to see it, and we were able to release it. We got it up here, you guys. That's how light the line is.
Yep.
It ripped it, you guys.
All right, guys. We'll see you on the next adventure. Peace.
Peace.